Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey through time, exploring the remarkable technological advancements that have shaped American coinage. Since its establishment in 1792, the United States Mint has been at the forefront of coin production, constantly innovating to meet the demands of a growing nation. Join us today as we uncover the machines and the brilliant minds behind the coins in your pocket. The story begins 1792 with the very first U.S. mint in Philadelphia. Coinage was laborious, manual process, relying on sheer strength and human labor. Hand operated screw presses. Now, these were screw presses that were adapted from existing European screw press technology. Adam Eckfeld and early mint employees built and improved on these presses. The coins minted during this time frame included early copper, like the chain and wreath set, and later silver and gold denominations, such as the flowing hair dollar, 1794, and the draped buzz coins. The years of operation for this were approximately 792 to 1836. These presses involved a large weighted screw that was turned by hand, forcing an upper die down onto a coin blank placed on a lower die. It was very slow, and it only produced about a dozen coins per minute, and it required multiple operators, and in some cases, even horses to do the work. The early 19th century brought a dawn of the Industrial Revolution, and with it, revolutionary change to the mint: steam power. Steam powered toggle presses. Now, these were a press type called the toggle joint steam press. The developer of this was Matthew Boulton and James Watt. Now, they pioneered steam powered coining presses in England, but the first ones at the US Mint was by a French designer, Tholier. Now, they imported and significantly improved through Franklin Peel, who was the chief coiner at the Philadelphia Mint. Now, the coins that were minted during this time were the cap bus coinage, the seated liberty coinage, and the first coin occurred in about 1836. The years of operation for this particular press were 1836 to the earliest 20th century. However, this would go from steam to electricity in around 1901. Installed in 1836, Peel's improved steam presses dramatically increased efficiency, capability of striking to around 100 coins per minute. Now, this marked a pivotal shift from human muscle to mechanical power, ensuring more uniform and higher quality coins. As the nation grew, the demand for coinage did as well. And in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, we saw further refinements in mechanical press technology. This was done through the advanced toggle joint lever presses. Now, the developer of the original toggle press was Dietrich Ohlhorn. He was from Germany, but the US may continue to adapt and improve upon these designs. Now, this isn't the only German manufacturer you're going to hear in this discussion. Often, in house or American manufacturers will work to improve or to modify foreign presses. In this particular case, a vast array of circulating coinage like the Barber, the Indian head, Lincoln cents, and various silver dollars would work through the 19th and 20th centuries. Now, these presses built upon steam-powered designs. They offered greater striking force and speed and became more robust and reliable, forming the backbone of the mint's production for decades, even though we transitioned from steam to electrical power again in about 1901. The mid 20th century would usher in the era of hydraulic power, and by the late 20th century, sophisticated automation transformed the high speed precision operation that we know today. And that was done through hydraulic and high speed coining presses. Now, these were for proofs in metals, and the high speed automatic coining presses were utilized for circulating coinage. Now, the hydraulic presses you will see are more single strike. And again, we talked about notable German companies like Graubner and Schuler. The developer, Graubner and Schuler, became the key suppliers for high-speed presses. Now, the coins minted during this time frame all modern coinage. This is something that we know today. Lincoln cents, quarters, dimes, nickels, the commemoratives, the proofs. Every coin we know today is minted on one of these types of machines. The hydraulic presses provide a number of things. Immense constant pressure, ideal for striking high quality proofs and metals. But for everyday circulating coinage, the Mint employs fully automated high speed presses capable of tens of thousands of strikes per minute. Utilizing advanced robotics and computerized controls that make it unparalleled for efficiency and precision. So when you look at the laborious hand crank screw presses of 1792 to the lightning quick computerized control machines of today, the United States Mint's journey through minting technology is a testament to human ingenuity. Each advancement not only increases the production capability, but also improves the capacity and consistency of the coins we rely on every day. The evolution continues as we ensure the future of American coinage remains as bright and innovative as the past. Thank you for joining me on this historical tour of the presses of the United States Mint. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more insights. And why don't you go check out one of these other videos? Have a good day. My name is Frostbyte, and I will see you in the streams.